Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Geo Kimberlite, a source of diamond. Today we are going to see another important scholarship opportunity given by Dr. Reddy's Lab for the girl student. On the name Dr. Reddy's Foundation Sashakta Scholarship for the year 2021 and the year 2023. That means this scholarship is there given for the next 3 years for the girl students who are taking admission in BSc Natural Science, Pure Sciences. And this buddy, Dr. Reddy's Foundation has joined hands with the Buddy for Study Scholarship Portal, and all the information of this portal, this scholarship I have taken from the Buddy for Study Scholarship Portal. I am Dr. Sajid Undekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, AKI Pune College of Arts, Science, Commerce, Camp, Pune, Maharashtra, India, and is affiliated to Savitri Bai Pune University, that is SPPU Pune, and formerly it is known as University of Pune. And very important for this scholarship, the deadline is 30th October 2021. See now, again I am giving you the important dates. The application starting date is 1st May 2021, and the application deadline is 30th October 2021. We'll see first about this Reddy's Foundation Social Scholarships scholarship program. Now, this is an important initiative of Dr. Reddy's Foundation to encourage the young women across India to pursue a career in the science field, and it is provide a level playing ground to girl students, especially from the rural India. That is very important one. So here those girls which are coming from the rural India, having low socio-economic background, and to get the success quality education, and to get access to quality education in some of India's best science institutions by offering financial support and mentorship throughout their undergraduate studies. So here, the Dr. Reddy's Foundation has selected 12 colleges all over India, and from there, those students who have been taken admission, and especially they are coming from the rural background, socio-economically low categories there, and they are keen interest in the natural sciences or pure sciences, who has taken admission in BSc after the 12th standard. And what the students are going to get it from the scholarship? They are going to get a scholarship worth of rupees 2,40,000 for next consecutive 3 years. That means every year Dr. Reddy Foundation is giving 80,000 rupees per year to the girl student who has taken admission in that the prestigious colleges department are there, in the science department which are there in that particular colleges. Now, first we'll see the what is the eligibility for these particular scholarship. To eligible an applicant, the girl applicant must be an Indian national, be a girl student, and have a record of strong academic excellence. And for a BSc program, this scholarship is given only for BSc program in pure and natural sciences. And remember, note, the preference will be given to the student with a rural background, economically weak background, and interest in scientific research. So they have inclination towards the research-oriented attitude. Now, what a benefit we have already seen. 2,40,000 rupees are going to get in the next 3 years, and every year 80,000 rupees will be given for the college tuition fee, study expenses, and basic living cost. And what is the selection? The applicant will be selected based on the merit in 12th class and overall academic record. 10th standard as well as 12th standard, that record will be checked out by the Dr. Reddy's jury. Now, first we'll see what are the terms and conditions. The scholarship will be given only to students who has confirmed admission to any colleges below the 12 colleges which are given, the list is given now. We will see that list. So if they are there in these colleges and they taken admission, paid the fees, then only they are eligible. So they have to see the important criteria. Now we'll see the first four important colleges from the Bangalore. Christ University, Mount Carmel College, St. Joseph's College, the Oxford College of Science. See now the four important colleges: the Christ University, Mount Carmel College, St. Joseph's College, and the Oxford College of Science. The next Chennai, there are the three colleges they have been selected: Madras Christian College, Stella Maris College, Women's Christian College. Madras Christian College, Stella Maris College, Women's Christian College. Come to the next one, Delhi. There are the seven colleges they have been selected: Miranda House, Hindu College, St. Stephen's College, Kironimal College, Hans Raj College, ARSD, and Gargi College. So here, these are the important department of these seven colleges are there. They can read out again so that you can get the idea. Miranda House, Hindu College, St. Stephen College, Kironimal College, Hansraj College, ARSD College, and Gargi College. And from the Hyderabad, they have selected two women's college. First one, St. Francis Degree College for women. Second one, St. Anne's College for women. St. Francis Degree College for women. St. Anne's College for women. From Calcutta, with the Vivekananda College and Madhya Gram, these are the two: Vivekananda College and Madhya Gram. And the last one from Mumbai, there are the three colleges: Mithibai College, St. Xavier's College, and Sophia College for women. Mithibai College, St. Mary's College, Sophia College for women. Now we'll see what are the terms and conditions. Everyone has to see what are the terms and conditions has been given by each scholarship. Now today we are seeing now in this particular video Dr. Reddy's Foundation. So what are their terms and conditions are there? First one, the final disbursement of the scholarship amount to be applicant shall be made on the basis of what? The fee receipt evidencing the part payment submitted by the applicant. The DRF, that is the Dr. Reddy's Foundation, reserves the right in its sole discretion to the fullest extent permitted by the law to reject and disqualify any application. So they have clear in the beginning itself that they are having to reject or disqualify any application. They have the full rights. DRF reserves the right to use photograph, profile of the scholarship applicants or beneficiary for future use, publication use, disclosures, and communication purposes with the DRF stakeholders. The student who receives the scholarship must be regular, punctual, yes, in attendance and pass all the performance parameters as decided by the competent authority of the school, colleges, and universities. For this scholarship, certain conditions has been laid down by these colleges. Then only they have been selected for this particular scholarship. DRF reserves its right to independently verify and access the claim made by the candidates or beneficiaries regarding their financial status. Their income should be less than 5 lakh rupees. So they will be verified independently from the different authorities. This is a beneficiary scheme for DRF. It is a beneficiary scheme. It is not as a matter of right to be claimed by candidates of economically weaker section of society or otherwise. Very important note. Those who want to see the terms and conditions, they can go directly www.https://drreddyfoundation.org. If you want to contact, if you want to make the mail, then you have to write a mail to info@sashaktscholarship.org. Now, how you have to apply? First, we'll see which are the documents you have to apply when you're going to apply this particular scholarship. 10th mark sheet is a mandatory. They have made now clear. If you don't have, you have been rejected. 10th mark sheet is optional. 12th mark sheet is a mandatory, and the 12th certificate is optional. See now, 10th certificate is mandatory, but here the 12th certificate is optional. Income certificate, it is a mandatory for household income less than 5 lakhs. Remember, then the disability certificate, if you have any disability, it is a mandatory for PWD candidates, that is physically weaker disability is there. Uh, if your percentage is more than 40%, then you can apply for in this particular category, you will get the preference. Interested candidate can apply online. How you have to online, we'll see now. Yes, this is the Buddy for Study Scholarship Portal is the partner for Dr. Mendes Foundation. So you have to go to this www.buddyforstudy.com. And on this particular portal, those who are the newcomers are there, they have to make an account. If those who are already made an account directly go to the Reddy's Foundation Social Scholarship, and there will be a apply button is there. If you are newcomer also there, you can apply. Once you are the newcomer, this will be login page will be there of Doctor on the Buddy for Study, and with the help of the Facebook, Google, or mobile number or email ID, you can open your account on the Buddy for Study, and it will be required for the next 3 years for your education. And finally, if you go for MSc, PhD, then it will be a continuing one. But those who are already login is there, so directly they will go to the page that the application and start filling the application. Whatever the relevant documents which are asked, they have to be high resolution, clear, and they should be in JPG or PNG format. Then you have to accept the terms and conditions and click the button preview and see whatever application you have filled 1 or 2 times. And if you feel that your whatever the documents you have been attached, it is proper, and whatever the information you have filled typed now it is correct, then you have to submit the click or submit button, then automatically your application will go into the application process, and you will be there in the queue. So the jury will be scrutinize your applications, and they will make a merit. And if you have been qualified their merits and your income, then they will contact you and they inform you that you have got the scholarship. And those who are eligible, they can apply for the scholarship. If you are not eligible, then kindly pass on to the other girls who are there who has taken the admission for the pure sciences in these 12 colleges which have been mentioned by the Dr. Reddy's for this their program. Thank you. Have a nice day.